Hello, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. Let's stand up and say that. Put your hand over your heart and repeat after me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, good job, boys and girls. Go ahead and sit down. Hi, how you doing today? How you feeling? You doing good? It's our last, almost our last week of school. We're in the countdown, boys and girls. Very exciting. Yes, yes. I hope you're doing well. I've really enjoyed having our video conferences and seeing everything you're doing, getting ready for summer. I hope you're doing well. Let's get our bodies and our minds ready for our video session and review our rules. Rule number 1, our mouth is quiet. Rule number 2, our eyes are looking. Rule number 3, my hands and feet are to our body is still. Remember? Rule number 4, our ears are listening. Rule number 5, if you have a question or you need help, raise your hand. All right. Now that we've reviewed our rules, I know all of you can say them to me. I know you know them. Let's get on with it. Okay? Maybe. Here we go. Okay, so today is Wednesday. Wednesday. So if today is Wednesday, do you remember, boys and girls, what was yesterday? Yesterday was Tuesday. Tuesday. So we have Tuesday, we have Wednesday. What does that mean tomorrow is going to be? Tomorrow is going to be Thursday. Yes. So we have Tuesday was yesterday, today is Wednesday, tomorrow will be Thursday. Okay. We have 167 days of school. We are just flying through, aren't we? And today is June 2nd. June 2nd. Okay. The second part, which is our day, and the third part, which is our year. So our month is June, our day is the 2nd, and our year is 2020. Okay, so let's all say the date together, right? June 2nd. We'll say it again. June 2nd, 2021. All right, good job, boys and girls. We have our new fancy calendar. Yesterday was the 1st, and we have that listed right up there, okay? And now we have the 2nd. Now remember, we always have the month listed at the top of our calendar, which is June. Our year is 2021 over here. And then we have our days of the week listed here so that we know what day our date falls on. So today is Wednesday, and here is our 2nd, so we know that that's correct. So Wednesday, June 2nd, 2021. All right, boys and girls, our calendar is going to fill up. Let's see, here we go. Let's do this. Over here is our last day of school. How exciting is this, boys and girls? Let's mark it on our calendar. Okay, last day of school. Right there. So when we get to this square here, it's our last day of school. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So on the 9th day. Okay, we'll put a little 9 here to remind ourselves. 9. Okay, 9th. So today is the 2nd. We basically have a week left until we are done with school. And on that last day of school, we're all done at noon. You guys get to be done at noon. So how exciting. All right, 167 is our number for today. That's how many days we've been in school. That means we have technically we have 6.5 days left, boys and girls. Well, I didn't mean to make that so little. There we go. Technically, we have 6.5 days left because remember, let's go back to our calendar here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, technically, we have 5.5 days left. If we count today. So today's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still 5.5 days. Let's go and change that. It's 5.5. There we go, 5.5 days left in school. All right, fantastic. Now, let's talk about our number. Here in our number 1, we have our hundreds place. That means 100. And right here, we have a big old square with 100 squares in it, with tiny little 100 squares in it. We need to move this over to our 67 here. And we do need to move 1 up into our ones place, right? This next number in our big number is our 6, and that is our tens place. So 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That means we have 6 groups of 10. 6 groups of 10. And over here with a 7, that's our ones place right there. And with our ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So if we go 100 plus 60 plus 7, that gives us what? Do you know? 7, which is how many days we've been in school. So look at that, boys and girls. We are completing another row of 10. We are almost there. We will complete one more row of 10 before the end of school, okay? So one more row of 10 before the end of school. 167 days we've been in. That's a lot of days, isn't it? Okay, let's do our days of the week. Are you ready? Let's sing the song together. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 I was trying to pause a little bit to see if you guys were saying the names of the days before I did so that I could hear it. But of course, we're not together, so it's not like I could hear it. But I was just trying to get a shot. Okay. How many days are there in a week? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 7 days in our week. That's pretty good. That's always going to be. We're always going to have 7 days in our week. All right, let's talk about our months in a year. Will you sing the song with me for months in the year? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year. These are the 12 months of the year. Did you hear that? Let's count just to make sure we know our song is correct. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. These are the 12 months of the year. So it's right. The song is correct. And we are in the sixth, and it's June. Hooray, the sunshine month. That's exciting. Month is June. And now, boys and girls, it's time to check out the weather. Let's go see what's happening. All right, we have our weather here. It's listed Wednesday the 2nd at the top, so we know it's the right day. And look at that big, beautiful sunshine. Let's read what it says. Mainly sunny, a near record high temperature of 91 degrees Fahrenheit and winds coming in the northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Look at that, 91 degrees for tomorrow. That's really high. Tomorrow or tonight, what am I talking about? Today is 91 degrees. It's mainly sunny, a near record high of temperatures. Whew, that's crazy. Now tonight we have clear skies with a low of 58 degrees and we have some winds coming from 5 to 10 miles per hour. So 58 degrees of low. That's really not that cold though. It's not getting that cold outside at night, is it? It's good because we're all planting our gardens and we want those gardens to grow big and tall. And if it gets cold, they're not going to, are they? So we have 91 degrees and a big old sunshine. So there's our sunshine. Let's make our sun just a little bit bigger so that we can celebrate its grandness. Because 91 degrees, boys and girls, that's really, really nice. Look, that's 10 degrees more than it was yesterday. 91. So today, that is kind of in this hot category here. It's going to be hot outside today. We're going to need to make sure we put our shorts and t-shirts on for today if we go outside. But remember, since there's so much sun, if you're going outside, you need to wear some sunscreen so you don't get sunburned, okay? Don't forget your sunscreen. It's very important. Protect your skin. Our activity for the day, okay? So we have some equations down here. I'm going to put a number in, and then I'll show you what we're going to do. So our first equation is 1, and we're going to go plus 4. So now what we need to do is add some buttons into these boxes. So 1 button, we need to put 4 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yeah. Okay, whatever. It works. So then, what if we take all of these buttons and we put them over here, oops, into this box? How many buttons do we have? Shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 button plus 4 buttons equals 5 buttons. And that's right there where we go, number 5. 1 button plus 4 buttons equals 5 buttons. That was pretty sneaky. Now that you know what we're doing, I want you to help me. So we're going to have 3 plus 3. And what does that equal? What does that equal? Well, let's see. 1, 3. How many if we put them all together? How many? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. See that, boys and girls? 3 buttons plus 3 buttons equals 6 buttons all together in that box over there. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. And just like that, boys and girls, we are doing math. We are making some 5 buttons plus 1 button. How many does that equal? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, what, Miss Amy? Why didn't you tell me? We're only doing 1 button over here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1 button. How many is that? Let's put them all in the box together. Whoops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 buttons plus 1 button equals 6 buttons. Buttons we have. All right, now we have 8 plus 2. How many buttons does that make? Shall we count out? 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Okay. 8 2, 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 buttons. Good job, boys and girls. We are just flying through, aren't we? Okay, let's do 2 more. Okay, next one we have, this one's going to be tricky. 0 plus 4. Okay, 0 plus 4. So how many buttons are we going to put in this? We're not going to put any. We don't have any buttons that go in this box. We're going to put 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 plus 4. Let's put a box at the end. That equals 0 plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's tricky because we have 0 added to our 4 buttons, which means we're just staying at 0 at 4. We don't have anything to add to it, so it's just 4. It's tricky, tricky, tricky. Okay, last one, last math problem, okay? And then we'll move on to our numbers down below. Let's go 2 plus 5. Okay, 1, we're gonna go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2 plus 5. So 2 plus 5. How many buttons do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 buttons all together. So 2 plus 5 equals 7. 2 buttons plus 5 buttons equals 7 buttons. All right. Now down here, so all we have to do is read these words 1 through 10. So this first one, it starts with an E, and it says 8, 8. So now we see it. I'm going to put this popcorn kernel right on top of it. Fantastic. Okay, here's 2, 2. Where's number 2? Is it this one right here? No, that's 10. 2 is right above it. There's 2. Here we have a f, is right down there. 4, let's put her right there. Here's this word. This starts with another F sound. 5. There's our number 5. We're going to cover that up. Okay, here, this one starts with an S, so it says X, 6. O-N-E spells 1, so we're going to find our number 1 right there, and we're going to put that popcorn kernel on it. All right, 4 more, boys and girls. 7, F-N, 7. 7, that up. Now we have 3. When you have a T and an H put together, they make a sound. This one's a 9. 9. That one covers number 9. And last but not least, we have a T, N, T, N, 10. For that bad boy up. All right, boys and girls, thanks for doing the math with me today. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll see you again tomorrow for our video. Bye.